Oilfield pipe threading isn't like standard turning. You're handling long, hollow, heavy workpieces, casing, tubing, drill pipe that need precise, reliable threads for downhole connections. A standard lathe won't cut it. You need a machine built around pipe and processing. So how do you choose the right one for your operation? Let's break it down. The first thing to check is spindle bore. A pipe threading lathe must let pipe material pass through the spindle, not just be held at the front. For OCTG workpieces, this makes loading and pipe end machining practical. Confirm the spindle bore, chuck through bore, and actual clamping range before you choose a model. Some applications use double chuck clamping to improve stability on long pipes. If the pipe won't fit through the spindle, the machine is the wrong machine. Pipe threading lathes handle external and internal threads, taper threads, pipe end turning, facing, chamfering, and conical surface machining. On a CNC pipe threading lathe, the threading cycle can be programmed, stored, and repeated, critical for consistency across repeated pipe sizes or thread specifications. Before selecting a model, confirm your pipe diameter, maximum pipe end diameter, pipe length, material, wall thickness, thread type, and production volume. A standard lathe can do general turning, but it's not built for long, heavy, or large diameter pipe workpieces. A pipe threading lathe is designed around pipe end processing and long workpiece support. The main difference is pass-through capacity, larger spindle bore, chuck systems designed for hollow workpieces, and stability for low-speed, high-load cutting on large diameter or thick wall pipes. For oilfield and OCTG applications, a dedicated machine isn't optional, it's essential. The key principle is simple. Select the machine according to the pipe. Confirm your pipe size, length, material, and thread type first, then match the machine to those requirements. Spindle bore, chuck configuration, CNC control, and machine rigidity all follow from what you're actually processing. At WMT CNC, we offer pipe threading lathe models that can be selected according to pipe size, spindle bore range, chuck configuration, and production requirements.